Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Once again, thank you for celebrating your birthday with us, and may you have more birthdays to come. And now, let's proceed to our fun games. Our fun game for this afternoon is very easy. It's what are called hashtag selfies. So we will be asking different selfies. And all you have to do is raise the picture that we will be asking. And to our first guest that will raise the selfie correctly will win our 2 remaining pouches. If you're ready, then open your gallery and let's begin. For our first selfie, who can? Hello.
Happy birthday, Bibi. Anak yung mga ipin-ipin. Pagay kita matawag. Hi, bye na. Bye, sir. Camping mo. Ay, sir, nana sa article area. Nana sa Kansai.
Sir, may payong mag-init bitaw. May payong mag-init.